Alphabet, Apple, and Microsoft rising 10%. Let's talk more about it with Gene Munster, Loup Ventures managing partner. It's been a long week. We've had some bankruptcies.
It's been a long 9 months, Brian.
Yeah, give me a break. The notes, Gene, I don't really like to look at notes, but in this case I did because I like you. The notes say that you like Meta. I'm like, okay, that's clearly a typo. But you do.
We do like it, in part because we think that this rally needs to be approached with some caution. And one way to avoid the caution is to invest in some companies that have some downside protection, which we believe. So we'd put Meta and Apple in a camp that has some protection to it. But just quickly before I get to Meta, because the reason we like Meta has there's a backstory to it related to what we think is the fundamental question around the market. Nothing has really changed. Inflation is still high. It's easy to get it from 8 to 5%. Getting it from 5 to 3 is difficult. And the second factor that hasn't changed is Powell's commitment to getting it to below 3. And when you put those two factors together, you have to ask yourself a basic question about 2023. Will there be a recession? And our belief is that there will be a recession. Our belief is that Powell is committed to a recession. Politically, he can't say that, but I think that he is committed to that. So when you put those two together, we look at large cap tech. Of the 8 large cap tech, all 8 have increasing growth rates for 2023, top line between 5 and 10%. Meta happens to be the lowest of the growth rates and the lowest multiple. And so I think that this is one that still is based on potential, or on potential. It doesn't have performance in the near term, but yes, Meta we think is one defensible name, despite what we believe will be a broader pullback in the market after this relief starts to fade.
After everything that's gone on this week with this, you might have heard about this FTX thing. I don't know, just a little bit.
A little bit.
Do you worry at all? And I want to be clear, I'm not comparing the two one bit, but the metaverse is kind of one of these things we just talked about, right? Like if you're not all in, it's like, well, you're just old and don't get it. Do you worry there's a little hype-ish around the metaverse, but it's still got a long way to go? I mean, people paying real money for fake, not fake, but metaverse plots of land, which could, I don't know, could be there's unlimited growth.
Well, I think near term, the next 6, 12, 24 months, there is hype around this. And I think that, if we go back and look at the bigger picture here, when it comes to Meta, one of the questions that we ask ourselves is there a computing platform beyond mobile? And if the answer is probably not, then there's no real reason for the metaverse. If mobile is going to be what we're going to have into perpetuity. But most likely there will be something different, and then you can debate which those are. I would say the leading contender is that some form of the metaverse is going to be there. And if you look at not only Meta's now famous $10 billion in investment, Apple's there too, Google's there, Samsung. These companies are going to will this into reality. And I know it is obscure today and hype-ish today, but I think if you fast forward 2 years from now, it's going to become more, actually not even 2 years. I think you fast forward 6 months, 9 months, when Apple shows their mixed reality headset, I think the light starts going on that this is actually going to happen.
There you go. We'll see. Gene Munster, Loup Ventures, thank you very much.